This video is about how to solve equations on TI-Nspire by graphing. Question 1. Find the angle AOB in radian if the shaded area is 35 millimeters. According to these two formulas, we know the shaded area equals 1/2 r squared theta minus sin theta. We know shaded area is 35 millimeter squared. So we get 35 equals 1/2. Radius is 12 millimeters. So we have 12 squared. Then theta minus sin theta. On TI-Nspire, if you use equation solver, you can only get one solution. We are not sure whether there is only one solution to this equation. So normally, we will graph the function to decide how many zeros we have. We will change this equation into equal to 0 form. 0 equals minus 35 both sides, 1/2. Since we will use calculator, we don't do any simplifying in this equation. Then we define this function on the calculator. How to get started with your TI-Nspire for IB exam. Normally we go to File Setting to restore factory default. Then click here, Scratchpad. Again, then click Menu. Go to 8. Then go down to the very bottom, automatically label points. Then enter. Go to Scratchpad, Calculator part. We will define the variable. Let's define the function g of x. Control math. 1 divided by 2. Then 12 squared. Then times. We will change theta into x. X minus sin x. Make sure this is a radian, not a degree. Then minus 35. Enter. Since we don't know whether there's only one solution or not, we will go to Graph. Use a tab to pull out this function. Click on Variable g of x. Make sure this is a radian. Then enter. Since this is the angle on the circle, we can change the domain. Go to Menu 4, Window Setting. For x minimum, let's put 0, x maximum 2 pi. X scale pi over 2. Since we are looking for zeros, normally the minimum we will put negative 0.5. Maximum is 0.5. Skew is 1. Then enter. You could see only one solution. If there is only one solution, we can go back to calculator and variable g of x equals 0. Then control menu, enter. 3, enter, enter. Answer is 1.48 as a 3-sig fix. Or you can go back to the graph. Menu, 6, enter. Lower bound, upper bound. Then you are given this 0, 1.48. Go to number 2. Since this is not polynomial equations, and we are not sure how many solutions to this equation, we will use graphing to solve this equation. First of all, get equal to 0 form. Move 6 e to the x power to the left side. We get e to the 2x power minus 6 e to the x power plus 8 equals 0. Then go to calculator to define this function. Let's clear the history on the scratch pad. Menu 1, 5. For graph, clear the history. Menu 1, 4. This time, we will use h of x to define this function. H of x, control math, e to the 2x power minus 6 e to the x power plus 8. Enter. Then go to graph. Use this tab to pull out the function f1 of x equals, press variable h of x. Enter. If you don't like this window, let's go to standard window, menu 4, 5. We want to make zeros more clear. Go back to menu 4, enter. To change the setting of the window. From the graph, we already know it's from 0 to 5. Skew change into 1. The minimum is negative 0.5 for zeros. Maximum 0.5. Skew is 1. Then enter. You could see more clear zeros. Then go to menu 6, enter. Lower bound, upper bound, we got 1, 0. Menu 6, enter. Lower bound, upper bound again, we got second 0.